Clarendon teen charged with luring away and raping 7-year-old. Man fatally stabbed after invading home of senior citizen. St. Thomas man shot dead in Hanover home invasion. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 14-year-old boy was recently charged with rape following an incident which occurred in Clarendon on Saturday, March 16. Reports are that about 5 p.m., the teenage boy allegedly lured a 7-year-old girl behind a tree and had sexual intercourse with her without her consent. On Tuesday, April 9, the teen was pointed out to the police in the presence of his parent. He is scheduled to appear in the Clarendon Parish Court in Maypen later this month. A St. Thomas man was shot and killed and another man injured by unknown assailants in Newtown, Cousins Cove, Hanover on Tuesday evening. The deceased has been identified as 28-year-old Kevin Williams of Londonway District, St. Thomas. Reports from the Corporate Communication Unit of the Jamaica Constabulary Force are that about 8 p.m., the men were at home when a white motor car was driven into the yard. An armed man exited the vehicle, entered the house, and opened gunfire, hitting both men. The police were summoned and the injured men were taken to hospital where Williams was pronounced dead and the other man was admitted for treatment. No motive has yet been established for the deadly attack. The Manchester police are probing an incident in which a man who invaded the home of a senior citizen was killed. It is alleged that the suspect broke into the home of an 80-year-old resident of Silent Hill in Manchester. During an altercation, the man was stabbed. The man ran from the home and collapsed some distance away. More details to come following further investigations.